Ever wondered what truly makes a younger woman valuable in a relationship with an older man? Today, we're diving into the essential qualities that older men should look for in a younger partner to ensure a beneficial and enriching relationship for both. This discussion will focus on the core attributes that foster a fulfilling partnership. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with insights into what really matters in these unique dynamics. And don't forget, there's a bonus tip waiting for you at the end of this video. It's a vital piece of advice that brings together all the qualities we're discussing, giving you a fuller perspective on age gap relationships. This tip could be a game changer in how you view and approach these dynamics. So make sure to stay tuned until the end for this essential insight. 1. Emotional maturity. Emotional maturity in a younger woman is like the anchor that keeps a relationship steady in the ocean of life's challenges. Think of emotional maturity as the secret sauce to a healthy, balanced relationship. When a younger partner demonstrates this trait, it's like a compass in the unpredictable journey of love. It means she can handle life's ups and downs with grace and not get swept away by the tides of emotional drama. This maturity allows her to understand and manage her feelings, and equally important, to empathize with yours. It's about being self-aware, not just selfie-aware. Having someone who can laugh during the good times is great, but having a partner who can navigate the not-so-good times with understanding and patience is even better. Emotional intelligence contributes to a relationship heavily. It steers both partners towards respectful communication, thoughtful responses, and a deep understanding of each other's emotional world. So when you find a younger woman with the maturity of a seasoned heart, you've found a treasure that's worth more than any youthful charm. This kind of emotional wisdom is the glue that holds the relationship together through thick and thin. 2. Life goals and ambitions. When it comes to life goals and ambitions, think of them as the roadmap of your relationship. Aligning these is like having both of you in the driver's seat, navigating towards a common destination. Sharing a vision for the future is essential for a relationship to work out in the long run. Imagine you're on a road trip. If one wants to head to the mountains and the other to the beach, you'll end up going in circles, right? Similarly, in a relationship, if an older man and a younger woman have different life goals, it's like trying to merge two paths that are headed in opposite directions. Sharing life goals and ambitions is like building a bridge between two worlds. It's not about sacrificing your dreams for each other. Rather, it's about finding that sweet spot where your aspirations meet and elevate each other. This shared vision strengthens the relationship, giving it depth and direction. It's the difference between a fleeting romance and a lasting partnership. So, when your dreams align, you're building a future together. And that's a powerful bond that goes beyond age and time, creating a connection that is as inspiring as it is enduring. 3. Independence. Let's move on to independence in a relationship, a refreshing quality that is especially important when dating someone younger. Both financially and emotionally, independence in a partner is not just attractive, it's a game changer. Imagine being with someone who is as self-reliant as a cat, but as engaging as a good book. This kind of independence means she can stand on her own 2 feet financially, not waiting for someone to foot the bill. It's like having a partner who's more of a co-pilot than a passenger in the journey of life. And emotionally, it's about being with someone who can enjoy your company without needing it to define her happiness. She can be on her own but also enjoy your company when you two are together. Having an independent partner just makes everything better. It brings a sense of stability and equality to the relationship, creating a partnership where both individuals can thrive independently and together. It's about having mutual respect, where you're both free birds, choosing to fly in the same direction. So, when you find a woman who's as independent as you know you've struck gold. In this kind of partnership, you're both free to be yourselves, together and apart, and that's where the magic really happens. I hope you're finding this video insightful. If you are, why not spread a little love? A quick like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button would mean the world to me. 4. Intellectual compatibility. Think of it as the spice that keeps the relationship flavorful and exciting. Why is this seasoning so important in the recipe of a relationship? Intellectual compatibility is more than just sharing a few common interests. It's about engaging in conversations as stimulating as a good mystery novel. When you're intellectually compatible, your discussions can range from silly discussions to profound debates, sparking curiosity and growth in both of you. It's basically playing a game of mental tennis, where ideas are volleyed back and forth, keeping both players on their toes. This kind of mental stimulation keeps the relationship dynamic and far from mundane. Imagine having someone who not only laughs at your jokes, but also challenges your thoughts and opens your mind to new perspectives. It's a perpetual brainstorming session where each idea builds upon the next, creating a bond that's both thought-provoking and deeply connected. Having a partner like that ensures you're mentally on the same level too, and you're not left having to wonder how to communicate with a partner. In essence, intellectual compatibility is about finding someone who lights up your brain as much as your heart. You want to find a person who can discuss the stars in the sky one moment and the grains of sand on the beach the next. This intellectual rapport is what keeps the wheels of the relationship turning. And if a younger woman cannot offer this to you, then the relationship simply won't work. 5. Respect for boundaries. Respecting each other's boundaries in a relationship is essential, yet often overlooked. Why does this matter so much? Let's zoom in and see. Respecting boundaries is akin to understanding the unwritten rules of a partner's personal space and comfort zone. You're recognizing that while you share a garden, you don't have to plant the same flowers in every patch. This respect is a sign of a mature and healthy relationship, where both parties understand that love is not about overstepping or dominating the other's personal space. You want a safety net that ensures both individuals can leap confidently, knowing they won't be caught off guard. Mutual respect is the bedrock of any solid relationship, much like a foundation is to a house. You don't always have to avoid what makes the other person uncomfortable. It's about actively understanding and valuing their needs and limits. When this level of understanding is present, the relationship becomes a space of security and trust. In short, respecting boundaries means creating a framework in which love can flourish safely and respectfully. It's the art of loving someone not just for who they are, but also for who they are not. This kind of respect is what separates a healthy, nurturing relationship from one that's stifling and unbalanced. 6. Shared interests and hobbies. These are the secret ingredients that add zest to any relationship. Why are these shared activities more than just pastimes? Let's unwrap this together. Shared interests and hobbies are common threads that strengthen partners' bonds. It's a special language only the two of you understand. Whether it's cooking exotic recipes together, hiking through uncharted trails, or binging on classic movies, these activities create a playground where both of you can laugh, learn, and grow together. Engaging in shared interests brings life and vibrancy to the relationship, transforming routine interactions into exciting experiences. Imagine each hobby as a unique chapter in your relationship's story, filled with its own set of joys, challenges, and triumphs. These shared experiences deepen your connection, making your bond go beyond romantic gestures to truly enjoying each other's company. So, when you find common ground in activities you both love, you're crafting a masterpiece of shared memories and experiences. This is where the magic of true companionship lies. And now, for the grand finale, the bonus tip, the irreplaceable value of genuine affection and connection. Why is this the crown jewel of a relationship, especially in one with an age difference? Genuine affection and connection are like the heartbeat of a relationship. Grand gesture and lavish gifts may work at first, but the quiet, sincere moments of understanding and care are what will really make a relationship last. Regardless of age, a deep, genuine connection is the compass that guides the relationship through calm and stormy seas alike. This connection is about finding a soulmate in the other person. Imagine sharing a laugh over an inside joke, feeling understood without having to explain yourself, or simply enjoying the comfort of a shared silence. These moments, simple yet profound, are the true markers of a meaningful relationship. In a nutshell, genuine affection and connection transcend all barriers, including age. So remember, the most valuable gift you can offer in a relationship is not material. It's the authenticity of your affection and the depth of your connection. This is the secret to a relationship that's not just good, but great. Now that you know what to look for, what's next for you? Discover the obvious signs a younger woman is attracted to you, or learn how to flirt with younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.